Hi, and in this video I'm gonna talk about cat facts. The cat is a small and usually furry, domesticated and carnivorous mammal. And cats were cult animals in ancient Egypt, and they were commonly believed to have been domesticated there. However, there are some instances of cat domestication as nearly as at year of 7500 BC or at Neolithic era. So, and the life expectancy of a cat is about 12 to 14 years, and female cats usually live a year or two longer. But there are instances where cats were reaching their 30s, and even the oldest cat had an age of 37 years. Cats' normal body temperature is 38.6 on Celsius or 101.5 degrees on Fahrenheit. Also, cats have a heart rate of 120 up to 140 beats per minute, and on average cats spend 2/3 of their day sleeping. Cats make about 100 different sounds, while dogs only make about 10 different sounds. And there are approximately more than 500 million domestic cats in the world, with approximately 40 recognized breeds. An average weight of domestic cat is about 4 to 5 kilograms or 8.8 till 11 pounds. So another interesting fact that humans have field of view only 180 degrees, but cats have this field of view by 220 degrees. Also, the cat's sense of smell is 14 times stronger than it of humans. Cats are one of the smartest animals, and they can interpret humans' mood and feelings. Also, during the Middle Ages, cats were associated with witchcraft. In a short distance, cat can reach a speed of 31 miles per hour or 49 kilometers per hour. Another interesting fact that in many parts of Europe and North America, black cat is considered to be a sign of a bad luck, while in Britain and Australia black cats are considered to be lucky sign. Another interesting fact that cats spend nearly 1/3 of their waking hours cleaning themselves, and that's basically what does this cat on the picture. And that's basically it for cat facts. If you like this video, please take a moment and comment, share it with your friends, press like button, and also you may watch other videos on our channel, and also subscribe to our channel.